rectangle, 5 tab 40, enter, 19 tab 5, enter, 19 tab 5, enter, and last one, 5 tab 40, enter, grab that shape, extrude, we're going in 20, enter. Just going to zoom all out, so hit that little house. Oops. And there we go, that's all our legs done. So hopefully in class you guys have already done all your dominoes. I know a couple of you have started making your length that goes in here with its tenon on it, but now you'll have a really good understanding of how it's actually going to go into there. Okay, we'll draw up our panels that go in here and we'll put that together. So sketch, hang on, finish sketch, sketch, there we go. So we're going to draw this from the side view, rectangle. He's going to be 200 tab 4, did we do 440 or 400? I think we did 440. I'm probably wrong now that I've said that, but if guys, if it is 400, just draw yours at 400. I'm pretty sure it's 400. Enter, extrude, and the thickness of our timber, out this way, is 19 mil. Whoops. What's happening here? Just going to draw it down here. 200, tab 400, enter, finish sketch, extrude, 19 mil, you come out there, 19, enter. Okay, there's one panel, and we're going to put our domino holes in here, sketch, this face here, rectangle from here down, 30 mil, tab 10, enter, create slot, center point slot on here, up 7, enter, move your mouse, 8, enter, zoom in, T for trim, E for extrude. Just going to spin him a bit so you can see the arrow, and that's going back 20 mil. There we go, enter. Sketch, that face there, rectangle from here down, in 10, down 170, enter, create slot, center point slot, up, whoops, nice and straight, 7, enter, 8, enter, D for trim, rotate it so we can see that arrow, drag it back, minus 20. Enter, and same on the other end. We'll do it from the left hand side this time, since we've spun it around. Sketch, that face there is the one we're going to be drawing on, rectangle, down 30, tab, in 10, enter, create, slot, center point slot, from that point there, straight up 7, enter, move your mouse, 8, enter, zoom in, T for trim, E, done, one more, $170, tab, 10, enter, create, slot, center point slot, up 7, enter, move your mouse, 8, enter, T for trim, E for extrude, just spin it so we can see him, there he is, drag that back, -20, enter. Okay, that's that panel done. And I might see now, since we've done it a billion times, if we can copy that, move copy, first thing create copy, and we're going to move him across this way. There you go. Done. Okay. And now we just need one for the back. So I might actually just highlight that again. Right click, move copy, create copy, and move him out this way. And I also need to rotate this one. I might just move my screen a bit so we can see. So you can see these two spinny parts here. So that one's obviously going to spin it that way. And spin this a bit. And that one should spin it left to right. Perfect. So 90, enter. There we go. So we've got our two sides and our back. And we're going to start putting this together now, guys. Now, before we start putting things together, you have to convert them to components, because otherwise, once we finish this drawing and we want to automatically generate our set of working drawings, piece by piece, it's only going to export components. If we leave it as a body, it'll make it one component instead of individual parts. Okay, so it's really, really important. Here, your bodies folder, right click on it and go create components from bodies. Okay, now you have a components part and they're individual. So even when we put this together, it will still recognize them as separate parts rather than one drawing with one part. Okay, now's the fun part. Let's start moving things. So select one thing, right click, move copy, top to bottom. It's not a face anymore, it's a component. Selection, so click it, it says one selected. How do you want to move it? We want to move from point to point. Okay, ask for an origin point, so we're going to say this corner here, and now it says your target point, where's that? I'm going to move that up to this leg here. Done. Okay, click OK. Now this leg here, right click, move copy, I need the whole component, and the selection, it's that. My move type's point to point. My origin point select is going to be from here, and I'm going to move into my target point here. Done. Okay, I need to move my back piece up now. So I'm going to grab him, right click, move copy. It's not a face, it's a component. I need the whole thing. My origin point is going to be this one, and that point there. Oops, I picked the wrong target point. That's okay. I'm going to come back here and say, nope, I haven't picked it. I'm going to come here now and pick that point as my target point and line that up there. All right, now I need to move this leg in place. So I'm going to pick that leg, right click, move copy, whole component, selection, which one I need to move that from the origin point of there to zoom in, make sure you got a point there. That's a preview. Click OK to lock it in. Okay, let's move this rail. Right click, move copy, component. This one, origin point is going to be here, and that point will line up with there. Okay, that's perfect. Click OK. The front leg. Right click, move copy, component, that one, origin point there, target point there. Click OK, zoom out. Now I kind of can see that it's back to front because this is the back of my table, that's the front. So I think I'm going to just try if I can see if I can spin the whole thing around.